Equatio has a direct LTI integration in Schoology, where teachers and Schoology administrators can make math and STEM items inside the rich text editor. Simply choose the Insert Content button on the toolbar to launch the plugins to your Schoology course. As soon as you are done entering math into your LTI pop-up box, you may select Insert Math, and the content will go right inside your rich text editor. Unfortunately, due to limitations in the Schoology LMS, students are unable to use the Equatio LTI. This presents a perfect opportunity to show you how all users can launch the Equatio web toolbar while navigating inside your Schoology course. Simply select the Equatio Chrome extension and you will receive a full Equatio toolbar experience where all of your STEM input methods are available to you, the user. When you are finished making your math, simply select Insert Math, and the content you created will insert right into the rich text editor on the screen. Think of all the places the rich text editor is available in Schoology, from assignments, tests and quizzes, discussions, and pages. We can help you make math and STEM content just about anywhere now inside of Schoology with the simple click of the Insert Math button. Enjoy this update from Equatio by TextHelp.